know what's more frustrating than your car breaking down? Not knowing why it happened and paying hundreds of dollars just to find out. But what if I told you there's a way to take control, diagnose your car like a pro, and never be left guessing again? Let's talk about the Autel MaxiDiag MD808 Pro, a tool that could literally save you time, stress, and money. Today, I'm reviewing the Autel MaxiDiag MD808 Pro, one of the most popular and professional-grade OBD2 scanners trusted by both mechanics and serious DIYers. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's the right tool for you. 1. What is the Autel MaxiDiag MD808 Pro? The Autel MaxiDiag MD808 Pro is a powerful handheld diagnostic tool designed to read, clear, and analyze codes from your car's major systems, not just the engine. It goes way beyond basic OBD2 readers, giving you access to the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, and even advanced features like oil reset and DPF regeneration. It's like having a mini workshop computer in your hands. 2. Key features. Here's what makes the MD808 Pro stand out. Full system diagnostics checks all major systems, not just the engine. Oil reset plus EPB plus SAS plus DPF plus BMS functions helps you maintain and service your car like a professional. Large 4-inch color screen, clear, easy-to-read results even outdoors. Plug and play, no battery needed. It powers directly from your vehicle's OBD port. Lifetime free updates, you don't have to pay extra every year. 3. How to use. Using the MD808 Pro is simple. 1. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port. 2. Turn on the ignition. 3. Select your vehicle system. 4. Scan for codes or do a quick service reset. 4. Pros and cons. Pros. Works on a wide range of vehicles, 1996 and newer. Reads deep system data, not just basic engine codes. Fast scanning and accurate results. Lifetime updates, huge plus. Great build quality. Cons. No Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection, wired only. Interface may feel a bit old school. Doesn't cover coding or programming like higher-end models. 5. Price and value. As of now, the Autel MaxiDiag MD808 Pro usually costs around $250 to $300 USD, depending on where you buy it. For that price, you're getting a professional-level diagnostic tool that can easily pay for itself after just 1 or 2 uses. Think about it. 1 trip to the mechanic can cost you that much. With this, you're in control every time. Final thoughts. So, is the Autel MaxiDiag MD808 Pro worth it? Absolutely, if you're a DIY car owner or small garage mechanic who wants reliability, deep diagnostics, and lifetime updates. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and car tech tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your car running smooth and your wallet happy.